In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini on PC/Mac. By the end, you'll feel confident opening Gemini in your browser, logging in and using it to ask questions with text or your voice, and even create images, all from your computer. First, make sure you have a Gemini account ready to use. On your PC or Mac, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, go to the Gemini website. When the page loads, look for the option to sign in. Enter your login details and complete the sign-in process so you land on the main Gemini page. Once you're in, you'll typically see a prompt box where you can type. This is where you can start using Gemini immediately. If you notice an option to upgrade your account, that's entirely optional. Upgrading can unlock additional features, but you don't need it to begin exploring and asking questions right now. To ask a question, click into the prompt box and type clearly what you want to know. For example, you might ask, what is the impact of the latest news about Iran around the world? Because current events can change quickly, it helps to add a time frame like as of today or in the past week. And you can also ask Gemini to include sources or a brief summary for extra context. After you submit your question, review the response and feel free to follow up with, "Can you explain that more simply?" or "Give me 3 key takeaways" to refine the answer. If you prefer speaking, look for the microphone icon near the prompt box. Click it, and your browser may ask for permission to use the microphone. Approve it so Gemini can hear you. Speak clearly and at a normal pace, then stop recording when you're done. Gemini will transcribe your words and generate a response. If anything is misheard, you can quickly edit the text before sending. You can also create images. Switch to the image creation option if it's visible on your screen. In the prompt, describe the image you want, including the subject, style, and any important details, like a minimalist poster of a mountain sunrise. Submit your prompt, review the result, and ask for adjustments such as different colors, lighting, or composition until you're happy. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your questions specific for the best results. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in prompts, and use follow-up prompts to iterate. That's all you need to start using Gemini on your PC or Mac. Enjoy exploring and happy creating.